Earn $5,000 with these top 4 high-paying digital businesses. Majority of people want to begin working online but lack the knowledge necessary to do it. They desire the freedom to live and do whatever and however they want, but they don't know where to start. They search for ways to make money online, only to become much more frustrated than before. If you're one of those people, then this video is for you. Making your own digital business has never been this easy. You just need certain skills, set up your profile, get clients, and that's it. You'll do well in business if you have the ability to think creatively, innovate, and come up with solutions to problems. I'm talking about digital services you can offer to businesses. We are now living in a digital world. So, all businesses, whether online-based or not, use digital platforms to market their products. That's where people like you can enter to make money online. In this video, I'll share with you 4 high-paying digital businesses to earn as much as $5,000. Hi there, welcome to Make Wired. In this channel, I'll show you the best tips and tricks in the financial spaces, business, and entrepreneurship. Make Wired is created to help as many people as possible make money online from the comfort of their homes. Just sit back, relax, and learn how to make money work for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're always updated on my latest videos. Are you creative and tech savvy? Do you like creating content that will earn you money? If you answered yes to these questions, then keep on watching. This video is for people who want to earn money online in any market, in any type of economy, and in any country. It doesn't matter where you come from because you can do this wherever you are. Make sure to finish this video till the end because I'll be sharing insider tips that will surely boost your digital services gaming. Number 1. Social media marketing. First on the list is social media marketing or SMM. Social media and social networks, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, are used in social media marketing to promote goods and services, interact with current clients, and attract new ones. As we all know, social media is one of the best marketing tools businesses can use. It has 3 key marketing areas, which are connection, interaction, and customer data that is the driving force behind social media marketing. Utilizing personal data to create messages that resonate with users and pushing content that encourages interaction. Social media marketing has completely changed how businesses may influence customer behavior. Social media is so pervasive today. Thus, utilizing these platforms for marketing strategies is crucial for businesses. Whenever you offer your SMM services, remember to continue learning on YouTube and Skillshare. Look for free courses online. There are so many things you can learn here if you know how to use it to your advantage. Focus on underserved markets such as LinkedIn marketing, YouTube ads, Reddit ads, and Pinterest ads. Not many people are paying attention to these markets, so you can be one of the few who specifically serves those niches. Go where there is a need and satisfy it. I promise you, clients pay more when there are only a few who can do the job. Bonus tip. Once you've mastered this service, you can be a coach and make your own online courses. You can do SMM as a service first. Then after you're done, you might want to offer it as a course. You can definitely make passive income by doing this. Number 2. Influencing. Do you have social media accounts with thousands of followers? If you do, then this one's for you. The next digital service that I'll be sharing with you is called micro-influencing. Micro-influencer marketing, a more modern idea, has just entered the social media scene. This is similar to influencer marketing but on a smaller scale. Businesses collaborate with users who have smaller social media followings, say 5,000 to 10,000 followers, to promote their products through genuine, appealing posts rather than paid advertisement. Big influencers are no longer desired by brands. Since businesses no longer collaborate with prominent influencers, many people make the mistake of saying that They only need to gain 100,000 or 1 million followers on social media. If you enter social media in this way, you're going to have a hard time making money. If your main goal is acquiring 1 million followers and going viral, you will find it extremely difficult. However, the place where you may actually earn money is in micro-influencing. Now, you may be wondering, why do brands prefer small influencers now? Simple, because they have realized that these small influencers have a more engaged following and are real experts in their field or niche. Turns out, these big influencers are not all that they are made out to be. What we've been learning so far is that people now are smarter with the ads they consume. They want ads that are personalized, engaging, and empathetic to an extent. Therefore, if you want to start playing the social media game, I recommend you to enter a small specialized niche and grow your influence there. Establish your credibility to build a loyal following and establish yourself as an authority in your profession. Above all, make sure you're providing valuable content. Number 3, coding. The next digital service we have here is probably the most challenging, and this is coding or programming. As you may know, computers are operated by software and computer programs. Modern computers are little more than complex heat-generating devices without software. Your computer's browser, games, media player, operating system, and pretty much everything else are all powered by software. You guys are probably tired of hearing about coding or programming. You doubt your aptitude for technology and all that. However, we won't be concentrating on general programming alone. I want you to take a look at the current state of technology, Web 3.0, virtual reality, and metaverse. These are new developments. If you could learn some code in one of these brand new or rapidly developing industries, you will be in high demand. Like I mentioned earlier, you can learn coding through free online resources. YouTube is one of the best platforms you can use to learn coding. What's more is that coding is one of the most in-demand digital services today. Companies will pay you thousands of dollars to build their website or platforms. Once you've learned how to program, create your own website that will serve as your portfolio. Include your name, contact details, relevant experiences, and services you offer. As you go along this service, you'll get clients who can give you testimonials that would even boost your credibility. So, once you've established your business, add testimonials to your website to get even more clients. Number 4, writing. The last one is for those who don't really feel like learning something very technical. This will be writing, but not just any writing. Skills that are in high demand would allow us to earn the highest salaries. This is the same for the things and roles that only few individuals are capable of doing, but which will greatly benefit companies. A lot of YouTubers are constantly looking for script writers. When I say writing, I don't mean basic writing. I mean specialized types of writing for businesses. Today, there's search engine optimization or SEO, which utilizes organic search to generate revenues. Companies hire SEO writers that would boost their website's credibility, sales, and digital influence. If you're a natural writer, you might want to try this out. Not only can you use your talent to make money, but you also help companies grow. Like the first 3 digital services I mentioned, you can also take free online courses to learn about different business writing. Learn as much skill as you can and use these skills to build your digital business. Before we end this video, I'll share with you some insider tips to help you get started. First, the jobs or businesses that I mentioned here require certain skills. These are quite technical, so you need to upskill first. There are so many free online resources you can use to learn about these jobs, and some of them offer free certifications too. Google, HubSpot, YouTube, and Skillshare are some of the platforms that offer a wide range of learning resources to help you get started. Like I mentioned earlier, What makes a business successful is the ability to innovate creative solutions. Usually, companies need your help to generate sales, establish their brands, and make an impact in the digital world. So, when you're offering your services, your purpose is to help your clients achieve their goals. That's why you need certain skills to become an effective partner to them. Next, use online platforms to sell your services. Create an account in Upwork and Fiverr. Optimize your profile by getting certifications and badges and completing tests. You can also join Facebook groups to find clients. Make a portfolio showcasing your best works so that clients will get an idea of your work and eventually hire you. Lastly, these roles that I mentioned do not offer fast money. That means they take time to generate your profit. But once they do, I promise you that they will give you loads of cash. Think of this as an investment to yourself. You'll learn new skills, and at the same time, you can use these skills to make thousands of dollars. For example, you learned how to do social media marketing for 6 weeks, and now a company wants your service to boost their Facebook page. So yes, digital services earn big profits if you know how to sell your services and acquire the right skills and expertise for each role. So there you have it. These are the 4 best digital services or businesses you can make to earn thousands of dollars each month. Remember the tips I gave you, and remember to be patient if you want to enter this business. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Do you want to learn more about how to make money online? Let me know in the comments so I can share more tips next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends so they can also make money online. See you later!